Hi, I'm Aaron. Today we're going to do the heart sound. So first we begin by smiling into our heart. If you choose, you can hold your heart. And then the sound. Inhaling, leaning over to the right. Let's try that again. Inhale, leaning over to the right. And one more time. Inhale, leaning over to the right. And then smiling into the heart. You can hold it if you like or not, up to you. Great. Thanks for watching.